Hello everyone. In this video we will be working with radicals and the distributive property. So with the distributive property you're going to take the first term and multiply it by the two other terms. But when it comes to radicals you need to remember one important thing. You can multiply a set of radicals by each other. So we can multiply x and radical y. If we're multiplying these two, we can combine them under the same radical x and y. So that's a very key factor you need to remember. So when we're doing the distributive property, we're going to multiply radical 15 by 4, and we're just going to have 4 radical 15. So think of the radical kind of like a x. It's like its own term. So now radical 15 times radical 2 radical 5, 15 times radical 2, can't do much about that, but radical 15 and radical 5 is radical 75, so we're just left with 2 radical 75, all of because of this rule. Okay, so we may be finished, but however we still need to simplify one of the radicals. One of the radicals can be simplified. 15 could be simplified to 3 and 5, but nothing cancels out there, so we can't really use that. But 75 can be simplified. So let's list some factors of 75. Well, we just used 5 and 15, but a better set of rules to use would be 25 and 3. 25 is a perfect square. That's why 25 would be beneficial. So we can split radical 75 into radical 25 and radical 3. I'm going to take the 2 down with me. And the square root of 25 is simply 5. So this just becomes 5. So 2 times 5 radical 3. That becomes 10 radical 3. I'm going to bring this down a little bit so we can see it. So 2 times 5 is 10 radical 3. And we have 4 radical 15. We cannot add these because they are not like radicals. Radical 15 and radical 3 aren't the same, so we can't add them. And this is our final answer.